Friends, brothers and sisters, in India there has been around 4.5 lakhs of farmers who have committed the suicide. That means almost 0.45 million. Real data may be much more than this also because it is not known to us. Because since 2016, our Crime Record Bureau is not collecting any data on this issue. They are stopped the declaring of the statistical data since 2016. And my question is, if the data is not available, then how can we do the root analysis and recommend the suggestive and corrective actions on that? I have sent several reminders to our Prime Minister and Home Minister without there is no response from them. As you are aware that United Nations in their Vision 2030 they have decided almost 17 sustainable development goals, and in those goals there is a even inclusion of items like life on land, then life below water, but there is no mention about the suicide of farmers and target to bring down those suicide to zero. And I'm surprised that even international human right is also silent on this issue. To farmers, I have written one poem devoted to the farmers. So I will go through that poem. There is, friend, there is no heading for this poem, and you have to decide what is the heading to be appropriate heading to be given to this this poem. They banned onion export. I did not utter a word, for I was not a onion producer. They slashed the milk prices down, but I kept quiet because I was not in the dairy business. They did not sanction the unconditional loan waiver, for I have not availed any loan. They did not fix the dual price for the sugar, that means domestic and commercial. I kept mum, for I was not a sugarcane producer. They were slow in cotton purchase. I remained silent, for I did not grow cotton. They did not provide irrigation facility. I did not agitate, for I do not belong to the rain scarcity region. They denied required fair assured prices for agri-produce. I did not burn with anger, for I had become acquainted with this injustice. Ultimately, they compelled me to commit the suicide. And when I turned around to see, I found that nobody remained behind me to speak out. I am Satish Deshmukh from Pune, India. धन्यवाद.